Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and ventilated seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with lots of storage on the bottom, right next to your rear liftgate control, as well as your seat memory. Equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the chrome accent handle. And onto the seats, you're gonna have the heated and ventilated, power adjustable, very comfortable with the gold stitch. You're gonna have vents and lighting control on the left. On the left side of the steering wheel, you're gonna have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your heated steering wheel and lane keep assist. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The odometer cluster control pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your economy, your range, as well as oil life, air filter, and as well as music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. You'll be push to start. You're gonna have your dual zone climate control, as well as your auto stop right above that, and onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, with built-in navigation, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can also access your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch camera. Down below, you're gonna have two USB ports, as well as an SD card reader, and as well as wireless charging pad with your park assist and your all-wheel drive. Of course, with the shifter, cup holders, and in the center console with two extra USB ports. Passenger side is gonna have that gold stitch finish as well, power adjustable. It's gonna go across the dash with Bose speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your OnStar and your SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 19-inch aluminum wheels with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, chrome luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. You also have your black badging here as well. Power lift gate as well. You're gonna have the 60/40 rear folding seats with extra hooks, as well as a 12-volt DC port, and as well as on the bottom here, extra storage. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear now, same style, storage on the bottom, right next to your speakers. Up here with the power windows. Up into the back seat. Storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, heated seating, and as well as USB ports. And right on the bottom, an AC wall charger as well. And in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Right above you is again that panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as premium leather heated and ventilated seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, panoramic sunroof, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.